Right, we've got another bit of scrap here, guys. All out the way. Car door. Little scrap room, let's have it on. Don't have it in. Come out my little van today. My truck's full. Yeah, that's it. Let's go and get some more tack, guys. Right, a bit more. A little over and a few other bits and bobs. I'll add that in. And then little. Oh, and it works, look at that. Oh, that it. Got all the parts that over and the charger and the manual. What else we got? That's for planting. A watch. Daniel Hector watch, whatever it is. Dremel. Some cutters. Stanley knife. That's a slow cooker. What else we got in here? Little torch. Padlock. More padlocks. And a few other bits. We'll have that. We'll have that. There we go, guys. That's in. It's playing up. That should clear now. There we go, guys. Let's go and get some more tattooed. Let's have a bit more here. What's in these bags? Fisher bolts. A few other bits. There's some fisher bolts though. Yeah. Well, then. Two boxes of fisher bolts. Well, two full boxes. There's about 5 boxes in each box. I'll add that in. Let's go and get some more top. Right, we've got a bit more. Let's open the van door. It's supposed to be some radio today, but yeah, you got them out yet by the looks of it. Let's just put them right there. No. Got the rest of this though. It all adds up. There's a shovel there. We'll have the shovel as well. One day we might be using that, so I'm going to leave that there. Alright, let's go and get some more tack, guys. Okie dokie, we got a bit more. Let's have the doors open, chuck it in. What have we got? Cooker top. Oh, another safe. People keep locking themselves out the safes, you know. And a good old smash at that one. You alright, bud?
Hello, Cook.
How you going, mate?
Not too bad, you alright?
Yes, you lock your key out.
I must have had that about 20 years. Best to get rid of the scrap now.
Right. Thank you very much.
Been this morning, somebody has.
Yeah, there's about 20 or 30 of them out.
I'm sure good to one called.
Thank you, mate. See you, mate. Right, that's that in. Let's go and get some more, guys. Right, we got a bit more. A dishwasher. I'll take it all down, man. I'll take it all down. There we go. Let's go get some more tack, guys. But you good, mate, you? The telly alright? Yeah. We done brokey?
What is it?
Telly?
Oh yeah, the broken screen.
Oh. That's a shame, eh? 'Cause it's a good one, ain't it?
I've had that for about 2 years.
How did they manage to break the screen?
No one knows going to put their hand up to it in this house.
Nice one, mate.
Okay.
Alright, that's it. Let's go and get some more tap.